Hello everybody, today I'll be teaching us how to DIY this beautiful gele. I'm Susan Joke of Sujot Bits and Crafts, and today I'll be teaching us how to make this beautiful turban cap I make with my Sego Gele. You can also use your non-stretchy fabric. Material needed are your old or new Sego Gele or non-stretchy fabric, your office pin, your needle and thread, your velcro tape or stripe, your tailor's chalk, scissors and tape rule. Fold your material into two and measure 26 inches length wide by 17 inches length. That is, in fold 13 inches wide by 17 inches length and set it aside. 26 inches length by 17 inches wide. Also cut 40 inches length by 9.5 inches wide and set it aside. 40 inches length by 9.5 inches wide and set it aside. Cut another piece of 28 inches wide, 28 inches length by 7.5 inches wide, 28 inches length by 7.5 inches wide, and another piece of 16 inches length by 3.5 inches wide, 16 inches length by 3.5 inches wide and set it aside. Fold your material into two and cut out our regular turban shape. That is, you measure 5 inches length from the opening and make a slant to form our turban shape. Spread your material and fold it in by 1.5 inches. So fold it down to the end. Then after folding, you can iron it down to keep it in place. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be folding the edge of the fabric, fold it in twice and sew. I'll also fold the other side in twice and I'll also sew it. So I finished sewing it and this is how it looks like. Finish sewing it down. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be measuring my velcro tape of 4 inches wide, 4 inches length, and I'll be attaching it to my cap. Just watch what I'm doing. One will be facing up and the other will be facing down. One facing up, the other will be facing down. So this is how it looks like. One will be at the right side and one will be at the wrong side. So this is it. Pin it down before taking it to the same machine. Pin it down before taking it to my same machine. One is facing up and the other one is facing down. Facing up and the other one is facing down. Finish sewing my velcro tape. This is it. One is facing up and the other side is facing down. So this is how it looks like. So after sewing my velcro tape, I'll be turning my fabric to the wrong side like this. Then I'll take it down to my sewing machine and close this edge like this. We close it down. Close it down like this. So I finished sewing it down like this. So what I'll be doing is, as we used to do with our regular turban, I'll be making running stitches. I'll be making my gathers using running stitches from where this velcro tape stop down to the edge here. That is, I'll be making my running stitches from here. Make it like this. From here like this. You make your running stitches from this place down to the edge like this. So I finished making my gathers and this is how it is. What I'll be doing next is I'll be turning my cap to the right side. So after turning it to the right side, this is how it looks like. So the next is I'll be taking my fabric of 9.5 inches wide by 40 inches length. I will fold it into two. I want to use it to make my rose that I'll be attaching to my rose Autogele. So I'll fold it into two and sew it down. Sew it down. I'll also take my 28 inches length by 7.5 inches wide. I'll also fold it into two and take it down to my sewing machine and sew the edges. Also my 16 inches length by 3 inches wide. I also sew it down. So I finished sewing them down. So what I do is I iron it down to make it smooth. I iron it down the 40 inches length by 9.5 inches wide and the 28 inches length by 7.5 inches wide. Then the 16 inches length by 3.5 inches wide. So I iron it down to make it straight so that my rose is going to come out very well. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be making my rose with my 40 inches length by 9.5 inches wide. Make our normal rose, running stitches. You gather it from one end to the other end. Just gather it, keep making your running stitches till you get to the end of the fabric, get to the end of your 40 inches length. Just make your running stitches as you're making it to pull your gathers. So I finished making my rose. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be tacking it together to keep it in place. So I fold it to the desired shape I want and I tack it together to keep my rose in place. So I finished tacking it down. This is how it looks like. What I'll be doing next is I'll be making another row with my 28 inches wide by 7.5 inches length. So this rose is different from the normal rose. You do it as if you are making your pleats. Just fold it in and tack it down. Fold it again and tack it down, just as if you are making your pleats, our normal pleating. Just fold it in, tack it down, fold it in and tack it down. Just watch me closely. When you watch me, you understand what I'm doing. If you don't get it, you can pause it and play it again. You can pause it and play it again till you get it. But it's very simple, just as if you are making your pleats. So that is how you'll be doing it till you get to the end of your 28 inches length. Just keep folding it, fold it in and tack it down. You fold again and you tack it down. You fold it in and tack it down. Fold it in and tack it down till you get to the end of your material. So I finished making my pleats and this is how it looks like after pleating. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be drawing my thread. I'll be pulling the gathers together. Pull it down, then you tie the thread. You pull it down, tie the thread to keep it in place. So just knot it about 2 or 3 times to keep the pleating in place. Just knot it. Just to keep it in place. Cut the excess thread after tying. So I finished making my rose and this is how it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? What I'll be doing next is I'll be attaching this rose to the previous rose we made earlier. I'll be making the last rose with my 16 inches length by 3 inches wide. That one I'll be making the rose like this. Start from here. Then I'll make my running stitches. down to the edge. Using running stitches. So when you get to the end here, you make a curve. So when you get to almost the end of the fabric like this, you make a curve this way. So this is it. So what I'll be doing is I'll be arranging it this way. After getting to the end, just tack it to secure your gathers. Just tack it down to secure the gathers. Finish making the 3 roses like this. So what I'll be doing is I'll be tacking them together. Tack this on this, then I'll be putting this to it. So this is it. I'll tack the 3 of them together, or I can use my glue gun to attach it together. So I'll tack it together like that and get back to us. I finished joining the 3 roses together, and this is it. So after joining, what I'll be doing next is I'll be attaching it to our cap, because this is not my head measurement and it's bigger than my dummy head. As you can see, that it's bigger than my dummy head. So what I'll be doing is, for me to know where to place my rose, I'll fold it into 2 like this. Then I'll mark the position. You can put it at the center of your cap, or by the side, left hand side, or by the right hand side, but preferably I'll be putting it at the left hand side of my cap. So I'll just mark, put my tailor's chalk and mark. Then I'll be tacking it down with my needle and thread, or I can use any of the gums to gum it down like this. So this is it. I'll do that now and get back to us. Finish attaching my rose to my turban cap. This is how it looks like. This is how to attach it. Just like this. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, please like, comment and share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.